Whoa, is this an actual product or is it just on display? Oh my God, it's an actual reel. Whoa, look at the changing colors. Hey guys, it's Panita Bajaj here at Messe Berlin on the second day of IFA 2022. Today, we're gonna take a look at the color changing MoodUP refrigerator. Let's check it out. All right, let me show you the cool part. LG's new MoodUP refrigerator allows you to change the color anytime you wish. So I mean, no matter how top of the line your refrigerator is, it just gets old and out of date as time goes by. But with this refrigerator, you can never go out of style just with all the different colors you can choose from. Look at all these different color panels. Now what's even more amazing is that these are actually all the same product. LED and light plate powered refrigerator door that allows complete color customization through a mobile app. That's right, the doors can change colors. Isn't that just so cool? We're here at the Experience Zone to see how cool and easy it is to change the colors of these refrigerators. Come on, let's test it out. Wow, changing all these different colors is quite easy. That's impressive. A little pop pink. And then the bottom, let's change that up to a pop green. Wow, wow. Just a few taps and you don't have a boring gold fridge anymore. A color-changing, music-playing refrigerator. It's more of a media art station than a fridge, isn't it? Well, what do you think? Discover new possibilities for your home appliances with innovative features and bold designs with MoodUP refrigerator. It'll capture your fresh taste every time.